playing this old Irish folk song, The Spanish Lady, in the key of G, and the scale of G major in the open position is as follows. And the tune starts on the second fret of the 5th string, followed by 2 open picks on the open 4th. Then we're playing the 2nd fret of the 4th string and hammering onto the 4th fret. So what we're doing there is we pick the 2nd fret, pick the note on the 2nd fret, and hammer your finger onto the 4th fret. Might be easier for you to do it using your 1st finger on the 2nd fret and hammering your 3rd finger. Again, pick the 2nd fret, hammer your finger onto the 4th fret. So whichever fingering suits you. Next we go on to the open 3rd string. This is the G string. So 2 open picks there, and then we pick the open string again, and this time we hammer from the open onto the 2nd fret. Onto the 2nd string now. Open, open. Then the 1st fret. Back to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Open 2nd, open 3rd. 2nd fret of the 4th, and 2 open 4th strings. Okay, so let me play that again slowly. And that's repeated. Then we move on to the 3rd line, and this is played. We start off, the first 4 notes are on the open, are on the 2nd string. Open, 3rd fret, 3rd fret, open. So those 4 notes. Then the next 4 notes are on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, open, open, 2nd. And the same 4 notes again on the 2nd string as we played a few minutes ago. Back to the 3rd string, 2nd, open, 2nd. Okay, so let's look at that line again. Let's move on to the 4th line now, and the first 4 notes are the same as the first 4 notes on the 3rd line. Open, 3rd, 3rd, open. 3rd string now, and the 2nd fret, open. And now we do another open, but we hammer back onto the 2nd. 2nd string, open, and 1st fret. 2nd fret of the 3rd string, open 2nd, open 3rd, 2nd fret of the 4th, and open, open. I'll play that 4th line again slowly. And the tune to the chorus is the same as the tune to the verse. I have another lesson up to show you how I play the accompaniment to that song.